बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आपके लिए समरी लेके आई हूँ। समरी का टॉपिक है द रेन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट कोटेशन। कोटेशन लिखने से आपकी समरी बहुत प्यारी लगेगी और प्रेजेंटेशन भी बहुत अच्छी होगी और इससे एग्जामिनर पर इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छा पड़ेगा। तो हम अपनी कोटेशन पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं। One touch of nature make the whole world kin. Nature and hardships of life are favorite themes of W.H. Davis. In this poem, he also expresses his views about race and social discriminations. Found in our society, this poem has symbolic meanings. The poet says that he hears the leaves drinking rain. The leaves on top, one full of water of rain. When the water of the rain sprinkles on to the leaves, it creates a nice music. The upper leaves represent the rich people of the society, and the lower leaves represent the poor people of the society. This metaphor means that the rich get a golden chance for first, and whatever remains trickle to the poor. नेक्स्ट अब अगेन कोटेशन लिखेंगे। नेचर इज एन आर्ट ऑफ अल्लाह. द पोएट सेज दैट soon, it will stop raining. The sun will come out. Its beautiful light will brighten up each drop. The sun will shine in full brightness. The poet says that there would be equality in the society, just like the sunshine which spreads all over the world equally. This sunshine is both for the dark round drops of rain and rich green leaves. Next quotation is, and when the sun comes out, it will be lovely sight. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।